Welcome to Grow Slack. This is Priyanka, founder of Grow Slack. So, in this demo video, I'll show you how exactly you can make use of Grow Slack in your business. So, once we are on the dashboard, that means once you have logged into your account, so this is what your dashboard looks like. So, we have the launchpad here. All you need to do is connect all of these accounts. If you already have Google My Business, Facebook, and Stripe account, and all you need to do is just click on the connect button and you'll be able to connect all of your accounts from the launchpad itself. And then we have the dashboard. So in the dashboard you can create as many dashboards as you want. You can create one for the sales dashboard, one for your daily routine, one for your marketing, and etc. So that means you will be able to see all of the things that you want to see in each and every other dashboard. So this is my daily routine. So all that I want to see is what my daily routine looks like and any important resources that I have. And I want to see the number of emails that I have. That means the number of contacts only with the emails, not just the Instagram contacts or the Facebook contacts. I don't want to see any of that. So I just want to see the contacts that have real email IDs. So, and also I want to see the confirmed appointments count for the week. So that's what my private dashboard looks like. And you can create your own dashboard here by clicking on the add dashboard, and you can just name it as sales, and you can keep it private to yourself, or you can make it if you want your team to see that, you can just make it everyone. Or I'm just, for this demo purpose, I'll be sticking on to the private. And you can add the widget like whatever you want to add. You want to add the opportunity status, you want to add the opportunity value, what's the conversion rate if you want to see, and how many funnels that you have got, and what is the funnel distribution is looks like. You can also add that, and you can add the stages, and you can add the task. So let's see how this looks like. So you can add appointment opportunity status here, and we also have got what are the opportunities one. So based on, even within the opportunity status, you have got lots of things that you can do. And I want to see the contacts as well. What is your contact count? Okay, let's just stick to this thing. Okay, save changes, and I'll add one more widget here. So let's add, so I just want to add opportunity value. What is the opportunity opened opportunity value? And advanced, make it till date, save it, and this is how it looks like. And you can also make the changes like whatever. And I'll add one more here. I want to see the contacts, contact count, advanced. So once you are inside the dashboard, you can just play around whatever that you want to see. So you can just make the changes according to that. So you can create your own multi dashboards for your team and for yourself as well. So that's about the dashboards, and you can have the conversation. So one more thing, inside the dashboards you can also add your outside links. That means if you want to add your Google Sheets, so like this. So this is my private Google Sheet. So I want to you can also add your social media management or your social tracking Google Sheets as well by just clicking on here. And then you can just add the data. And we have the conversations here. And inside the conversations, you will be able to see all of the conversations happening across your social media platforms, and also your inbound and outbound leads that's coming in. So you can see all of that data under one platform. So you don't need any other tools for this. So you have everything under one roof. It's like a centralized social media platform for yourself. And you can also give the filters. So based on the emails or SMS or live chat, whether you want to see only the WhatsApp messages, so you can just filter it and apply, and you'll be able to see all of the uh, inbound leads or the messages happening across the platforms. And you can also add within from this platform itself, from the conversations tab itself, you can add the emails, phone numbers. You can also add the tags to that particular contact. If you have had a call with this particular contact right away, then you can add the email and phone numbers right away, and you can add the tags right away if you haven't added them in any of the automations. And you can also have, if you have already created any automation for this kind of contact or the tag that you are adding, so you can just add them to a campaign so that it triggers an automation, and they can enter in the workflow. And you can also appointment. So here we have the appointment, so you can directly schedule an appointment from the dashboard itself. And you can see the opportunities. You can change the opportunity status. So that means you might be having different tools for managing your leads, like sales pipeline or pipeline.co or any other pipelines management. So all you can do is, for this you don't need any other platform. You can just enter the contact details, emails, phone number, and add them to an opportunity name. And you just have to select what's the pipeline, what's the stage, what's the status of the pipe lead, and then what's the value if they convert. So what could be the value? And you can also assign it to any of the team members if you want to follow up with them. And you can add the business name, opportunity stores, and the tags. And you can also manage the fields, which is the custom fields. We'll discuss that later when you sign up for the account. And then we have the calendar here. Inside the calendar, it's just like more than a calendly. You can create different types of calendar settings. So if you have a team of more than 5 or 10 salespeople, and you want every, like you are getting inbound leads of daily per se 200 or 500, and if you want sales person one to handle the first 5 calls, and he is full and he won't be able to answer all the calls that he's getting in, you can divert all of those bookings to another salesperson, which is after 3 or 5 calls that's been directed to the salesperson one. You want all the sales calls to be directed to the salesperson two. That means you are dividing all the inbound calls that you are getting in to the team members equally. So that's, even that also you can do by creating the create calendar. So this is what I was talking about, round robin. You can select this, and you can divide your inbound sales coming in to your sales people based on the number of leads that you are getting in. So you can just divide the number of leads equally among your sales team. And simple calendar is one on one, and call booking is if you can schedule the meeting with a single person or on your team. If you have any client that's coming in, so they can be able to schedule a call with your team member, just with one team member. And collective booking is they can schedule meeting with the multiple team members. So this is suitable for if you are giving some kind of coachings, or one-on-one or one to many kind of coachings, like a Zoom session for multiple people. And then we have got, so that's about the calendars. And you can also have paid consultations as well. So instead of free consultations, you can also add the paid consultations. So you just have to integrate the Stripe, and then you can just take the payments for 1 hour consultation sessions or 2 hour consultation sessions. So you can have free consultations and paid consultations as well. So all of that things is included inside the calendar tabs. And in the contacts tab, so we have contacts here. So all of these contacts, so I'm just gonna blur all of this. So yeah, inside the contacts, you will be able to see all of the contacts data here. You can see the name, phone number, email. So what you can do is you can just import your database if you already have the database. So you can just import that by clicking the import contacts, and you can just with a CSV file, you can import all of your contact list inside the growth Slack itself. And then you can add a smart tag, or we also have the email verification. If you are importing thousands and thousands of lead, you don't know that whether that lead or the email ID is verified or not. So in order to be on a safer side and want your email to not get into the spam folder, then you just have to verify the email. So we also have got this feature as well. So once you click on the email verify, it verifies all of the email IDs that you are importing to your database. So this has some cost, which is for 1,000 email verifications it costs some $1 or $2. So that's how it is. You can contact me, I'll just explain how it works. So yeah, that's about. And you can also add smart list, and you can add tags from here itself. And once you are on the contacts, you can just select, like for example, you can click on the contacts, you can see the bulk option here. You can restore, you can add the tasks, you can add the company, you can manage the smart list. That means you might be having the data for example x leads, which is you may be having for manufacturing leads. Like if you are a manufacturer, you might be having leads for one state. You can tag like so and so state, and for other manufacturers you can add so and so state. So that's how the smart list works. And we have the opportunities here. So here you can see that inside the opportunities we have got different sales pipelines. So this is what the sales pipeline looks like. So once you have added a sales pipeline, you can have any sales pipeline, like um, any number of pipelines you can add, and you can add the stages, and based on the stages that you have created you will have the opportunities here. So I've got different pipelines here. One is for the client, one is the customer pipeline, one is the Facebook organic lead pipeline, one is the medical spa outreach pipeline. So you can have any number of pipelines based on the campaigns that you are creating. So once I'm on the pipeline here, you can see the opportunities that we have got. And based on the stages, you can also change the stages manually here. Or if you have added any automation, so once a trigger happens, send if you have sent a WhatsApp, and once you have received a reply from this particular contact, this will automatically be directed to a got reply. So that's how it looks like. So you can just see based on. Okay, so yeah, that's how the automation works. And then we have the payments. So you can send the contracts or the documents from within the payments tab. You can also send the invoice. You can send the recurring invoices or one time invoices. You can see all of the orders inside the orders tab. If you have a subscription base, like you want money to come in on the recurring basis, on a monthly subscription basis, you can also do that. You can see all of the transactions happening. If you have added any of the products, you can see all of those products inside this tab. And you can also add the coupons, and you can integrate your Stripe account by clicking on the integrations tab. You can add Nimi or Authorize.net or Stripe or your PayPal account by clicking the integrations here. And then we have the marketing here. Inside the marketing, you have everything that you need for a marketing, to market your business, which is the social platform. You can just you won't see this dashboard once you are if you have a new account. So you will see some kind of the plain version, where you just have to click on one button and you'll be able to add all of your accounts, which is all your social media accounts, with just one click of a button. And this is how the profile looks like once you have added all your social platforms. And then this is for the social platform. Here you just have to click on the new post, create new post, choose your social media account, and then create the post. Okay, so if you have the content already created, you can type in the content. You can just go to the upload media library. If you have added any of the media libraries for your uh, social account, then you can select from there. Or we have AI generated social media as well. You can click on the generate with AI, which and then give the title, content description, select the writing tone, click on the generate. It gives you the social media content that you can copy and paste it here. And then we also have the image generation as well. Click on describe your image. You can select the number of variations that you want, and you can choose the image style and generate. It gives you the image as well. And once that's done, you can just click on post here, and you can post it right away, or you can schedule a post or send it for the approval from your team, and you can just schedule the recurring post. That means this works well for the evergreen post. Like if you are creating something that should or that could be an evergreen post, if that's working now, you might want to send it even after 3 months, then you can just schedule it as an evergreen post. That means you want to schedule every every 1 month. Okay, so every month, starting from the date range from when to when you want to select, and post time, what is the post time, and then you can schedule the post. So once every month it repeats, so the same post will be repeated each and every month on that particular date and time. So that's how the recurring post works. And then we have emails. Here you can create email campaigns and the templates. From here we have the template snippets as well, and you can also add the trigger links. That means when you're creating an automation or sending an email campaigns, you can add a link inside the emails or the automations. When you have added any of the links to as a trigger link, so that means when someone clicks on this particular link inside your email, then you know that how many people have clicked this particular link. And it you can add another automation when a particular person has linked or has clicked this particular trigger link, then you should add them to one more workflow. So that's how the automation works. And we have the affiliate manager. Here you can see all of the affiliates. So you can have your own affiliates under your account. So if you want your someone to promote your business, you can also add a affiliate manager here. And you can also see if you are promoting growth slack, you can see that here you can check how many have subscribed to the growth slack from your account, and what is the commission that you have received. And inside the automation, so you can see the workflows. So I'm just going to share the whatsapp workflow that I have created recently for um, okay. So I wanted the whatsapp trigger to get in, like the first message. So I have sent a first message to all of the numbers, or this is a cold outreach. So I have added a tag. So when I'm saying I have added a tag, so this works when I am adding a new database. That means once I'm adding, I might be having hundreds of email IDs, right, of my clients. So when I'm adding or importing that email IDs of hundreds of leads, I'm adding a tag. So before adding that tag, I have created this automation. So once I add or import that email IDs to the growth slack, I will add a contact tag to all those leads. So once I have added those contact tag and imported all of those leads inside the growth slack, this automation triggers. So this is a one time. So after all of them has imported, so this triggers as soon as the database is imported to the growth slack, automation sends them a WhatsApp message. So this would be a greeting message. So welcome to the growth slack kind of a thing. And once it's been sent, all the data will be added to the opportunity tab, which I have showed you in the opportunities. So this will be updated automatically. I don't have to do anything manually. So the data will be shifted to the opportunity stage here. And once that's shifted, that's the first stage. And the second stage would be the step 2, where all of them has shifted. Then I want the trigger will be the customer replied. So once the first message from my end has been sent automatically, when the customer has replied to my WhatsApp message, then the automation waits. So the growth slack, the bot waits for a few minutes, and then it checks the condition whether they have replied or not, whether the customer has replied to my first message or not. If they have replied, so this automatically sends the second message, which is, I'll show you in just a while. So I'll show you. So this message will be triggered, will be sent to the WhatsApp clients if they have replied to my first message. And I'll wait again for a few minutes. and it will be automatically updated or updated to the opportunity stage that the customer has replied. And also again it checks the condition if they have replied yes or no to my message. And if they have replied, it automatically updates the opportunity stage that they have replied and said yes to the offer that we want to offer, and then waits and then checks the condition. And if everything is yes, then it automatically sends an appointment link to book a call with us. So this everything is automated. I'm not doing anything manually. So this entire process can be automated, not just this thing. So there are lots and lots and lots of things that can be automated if you know what where you are wasting time and what are the things that you are doing in your business, and how it's gonna help you if you could automate that. Okay, so this gonna save me tons of time instead of sending all of the data that I have had, manually sending WhatsApp messages to whether you are interested in my offer, the services that I'm offering. So it takes a lot of time. So instead of that, we are creating on automation. So sending them the WhatsApp messages at once they reply. I'm not doing anything manually. Even if they have replied, the bot will check if they have replied yes or no. And once they have replied yes, even the second message will be sent automatically. And even if they have said yes to the offers that I have to offer, the bot will send them a call link to book a call with me. Even that is also been automated. So that's how the WhatsApp automation works. And even not just the WhatsApp automation, you can do that with any kind of automation. If you have a database of your old clients, so you can send a campaigns, SMS campaigns, you can send email campaigns. So you can do much more if you have a database. So within just a few days you can have 10 to 15 activate your old clients and getting new revenue, okay, with the old clients that you have. And we have the content AI here. You can see all of the data, if you have generated, how many words that you have generated, and what are the words per day that you have generated. And we have the campaigns and triggers, and we have the sites here. Inside the sites you can add the funnels. You can create as many funnels as you want, you can create as many websites as you want, you can write blog posts. You have the WordPress, you can add your WordPress here. You have the client portal if you are a coach, or you want to launch anything, or you want to educate people and create some kind of courses. You can add the client portal here, which is you will have your own courses and your own dashboard with your domain name. And you have the forms, you have surveys, everything is unlimited. We have the chat widget, which is you can deploy this on your website. Okay, so you can have this on your website. So when once anybody opens your website, you will have this feature popping up. You can set all of the chat widget, you can just chat type widget, and then the acknowledgement settings. You can do all of these things. So this is kind of, I hope you got an idea of how this looks like. When someone enters onto your website, they might be having a question, so they'll click on this and they can type in a question, and you can capture the lead from your website as well with this chat widget. And we have the media where you can store all of your media here, and you have URL redirects. If you want to redirect any of your um, website to other links, you can add the links there. So this is the membership site which I was talking about. So if you want to create courses, create educational courses, or you want someone, or you want to make money with your knowledge that you have got, and it could be anything. So if you have some sort of knowledge and you want to monetize that, you can create courses, you can bundle that and add it as a product. So this works well for the coaches and the course creators. And we have the communities, and you can also give the certificates based on how many they have, if they have finished their course. So this is like a Udemy or Thinkfic Teachable or Kajabi, I would say. So it's like basically Udemy courses, like you can offer any number of courses that you want to offer. And we have the reputation, which is once you have done or worked with a client, you can just automatically send in review request. So once you have finished contacting that or finished your services for the review, I mean, instead of asking them to review your services manually, you can just automate this as well. Once you have finished your services, or 3 months or 6 months of services, you can send a review request to the person. Like, you can just click on the review request, select the name, input the phone number and the email, and then you can just send request by SMS or email. They'll be able to write a review request and give you a 5 star or 4 star or whatever it is, and you can have the listings as well. So you will be able to see the request you have sent, what are the reviews that you have got, and you can also see the widget. So this is how it looks like. So you can save the widget. Okay, so this is a customer templates. You can add this onto your website as well. And we have the reporting. So you will see the Google Ads reporting, Facebook Ads reporting, all of the reporting inside this dashboard. Any reporting that you want to see, you can see all of that reporting inside the reporting here. And you can have the mobile app. You can just click on the mobile app, and you will be able to download our mobile app to see. You can also view whatever the leads that you are getting in, what is the status of the leads and everything from your mobile as well. Instead of logging into the dashboard daily from the desktop, you will be able to see from the mobile itself. And we have the settings here. Inside the settings, you can see the business profile. All your business details will be added here, and your company billing, your staff. You can add your staff here. You have the pipelines, which I've already shared about. You can create as many pipelines as you want. And we have the conversation AI, which is, you can add the conversations. You can create your own bot. For example, you want everything to be automated. If you are getting some sort of leads from the Instagram or Facebook or SMS or Google My Business or website, instead of you manually replying each and every time to the inbound leads that you're getting in, you can create a chatbot from here. You can trade the bot. You can have the bot training here. After training your bot, it acts like your appointment setter. Okay, so we can do this for you, so you don't have to worry about this. So based on whatever your business requirement is and the knowledge base that you have got, we will be training the bot so that it works like a VA for you. So whatever questions or the frequently asked questions that you might be getting, the bot will automatically reply to all those leads and book a call for you. And we have the email services here. All you need to do is you just have to connect your email and phone number. You have to connect your phone number here. And WhatsApp is where you will be adding your WhatsApp number details. If you want to use the WhatsApp here, you will have to integrate the WhatsApp. And reputation management is the review request. So you can add your custom fields, custom values. You can manage the scoring based on the contacts, how a particular contact in your database is behaving. How, if a particular contact has opened all of your emails, if you're sending, and you want to give them some kind of like a coupon, since they have been a valued customer and interacting with all of your emails very well, you might want to give them some kind of discount on your product. So even that also gives you some sort of revenue. So that also increases your revenue based on the managed score. You can add number of domains that you want. You can add media, URL redirects, integrations. This is where you will have to integrate all of your accounts, the Google account, Google My Business, your social accounts. So all of the accounts you can integrate from here. You have the tax and audit logs and the company details. So yeah, that's all about the growth Slack. So if you have any other queries, you can always um, contact me on a grow contact or priya@growthslack.com, or you can DM me on my Facebook or Instagram. I'll be always available on social accounts, so you can just directly reach out to me if you have any other questions, or if you want auditing of your business. Like, you don't know how to use this tool, but you are eager to increase your revenue and streamline your business processes and makes it easy for your business, you can always reach out to me. We can have an audit of your business. We can see how you can implement this tool inside your business so that you don't have to do all of the works manually, and you can save lots and lots of time. And also make more revenue because you now are streamlining each and every process. You have more time to do on the revenue generating process instead of working on multiple daily repetitive tasks. Okay, so that's how growth slack helps you. You can always reach out to me, as I said, on contact@growthslack.com. Okay, thank you so much for watching.